Replacing windows is a significant investment for your home, and choosing the right company is crucial to ensuring a smooth process and a high-quality result. If you're a homeowner in Farmington Hills, you're likely looking for a window replacement company that offers reliability, excellent customer service, and durable products. Here's a guide to help you make the best decision for your home improvement project. Research local companies. Start by compiling a list of local window replacement companies in Farmington Hills. Local businesses often have a better understanding of the area's climate and building requirements, ensuring your windows are installed to withstand Michigan's weather extremes. Check online directories, ask for recommendations from neighbors, and review community forums to identify reputable companies. Check reviews and references. Customer reviews are an excellent way to gauge the reliability and professionalism of a window replacement company. Look for companies with consistently high ratings on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau. Don't stop at online reviews. Ask the company for references from past clients. Speaking directly with previous customers can provide insight into their satisfaction with the products, installation process, and customer service. Evaluate experience and expertise. When it comes to home improvement projects, experience matters. Look for a company that has been in business for several years and has a proven track record of successful window installations. Inquire about their team's training and certifications to ensure they are equipped to handle your project with precision and care. Review the range of products. Different homes have different needs, so it's important to choose a company that offers a wide selection of window styles, materials, and brands. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient options, custom designs, or a particular aesthetic, the right company should be able to meet your preferences. Ask about the energy efficiency ratings and warranties on their products to ensure long-term value. Verify licensing and insurance. Always work with a licensed and insured window replacement company. Licensing ensures the company meets state and local regulations, while insurance protects you from liability in case of accidents during the project. Don't hesitate to ask for proof of both before signing any contracts. Request detailed estimate. A reputable company will provide a detailed written estimate for your project. This estimate should include the cost of materials, labor, and any additional services. Be wary of companies that offer vague pricing or refuse to put their estimates in writing. Comparing estimates from multiple companies can help you identify fair pricing and avoid hidden costs. Assess customer service. Excellent customer service is a hallmark of a trustworthy company. Pay attention to how the company communicates with you from your first interaction. Are they responsive, transparent, and willing to answer your questions? A company that prioritizes your satisfaction will make the entire process more enjoyable and stress-free. Inquire about installation processes. The quality of installation is just as important as the quality of the windows themselves. Ask about the company's installation process, including the timeline, preparation, and cleanup procedures. A professional team will take care to minimize disruption to your home and leave the area clean after the job is done. Look for warranties and guarantees. Reputable window replacement companies stand behind their work. Look for companies that offer warranties on both their products and installation services. A strong warranty gives you peace of mind and protects your investment in case of defects or issues down the line. Trust your instincts. Finally, trust your instincts when making a decision. If a company seems overly pushy, evasive, or unprofessional, it's a red flag. Choose a company that makes you feel confident in their ability to deliver quality results. The bottom line: choosing the right window replacement company in Farmington Hills doesn't have to be overwhelming. By doing thorough research, comparing your options, and prioritizing quality and customer service, you can find a company that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Take your time, ask the right questions, and make an informed decision to enhance the comfort and value of your home.